Buying JetBlue TrueBlue Points. Purchasing JetBlue TrueBlue Points can be a useful strategy if you need extra points for a redemption or if JetBlue is running a bonus promotion. However, it's important to evaluate whether buying points offers good value compared to paying cash for flights. Here's what you need to know before purchasing. 1. How to buy JetBlue Points. You can purchase JetBlue TrueBlue Points directly from your JetBlue account. Follow these steps. Log into your JetBlue TrueBlue account. Navigate to the Buy Points section. Choose the number of points you want to purchase, minimum 1,000 points. Complete the transaction using a credit or debit card. Points are usually credited instantly or within 24 hours. 2. Cost of JetBlue Points. Standard rate, JetBlue typically sells points at 2.98 cents per point. Annual purchase limit, members can buy up to 120,000 points per year. Bonus promotions. JetBlue often runs limited time bonus offers, where purchasing points can be more cost-effective. 3. When to buy JetBlue Points. Buying JetBlue Points can be beneficial in certain cases. You're close to a redemption. If you only need a small number of points to book a flight, buying them can make sense. JetBlue is running a bonus promotion. A 50 to 120% bonus on purchased points can lower the cost per point. High-value redemptions. Some JetBlue flights offer better value in points than paying cash, especially for Mint class, business class. 4. When not to buy JetBlue Points. If the cash price is cheaper, always compare the cost of buying points versus paying for the ticket in cash. If there's no promotion, buying points at full price is usually not a good deal. If you don't have an immediate use, points do not expire, but they can devalue over time. 5. Best ways to use JetBlue Points. JetBlue award flights. Points can be used for flights with no blackout dates. Mint class, business class. This often provides better redemption value than economy seats. JetBlue vacations and partner redemptions. Points can also be used for vacation packages and partner airlines. 6. Alternative ways to earn JetBlue points. Instead of buying points, consider these options. Flying with JetBlue. Earn points on JetBlue flights and partner airlines. JetBlue credit card. Earn points on everyday spending. Shopping and dining rewards. Earn bonus points through JetBlue's partners. 7. Refund policy for purchase points. JetBlue points are non-refundable, so make sure you have a planned redemption before purchasing. 8. Checking your JetBlue points balance. To check your balance, log into your JetBlue TrueBlue account. Go to the My Account section. Check your current point balance and transaction history. Buying JetBlue points can be a good strategy when used wisely, particularly during bonus promotions. However, always compare the cost of purchasing points to the cash price of a ticket to ensure you're getting the best deal. If possible, try to earn points naturally through flights, credit cards, or promotions rather than buying them outright.